Hello everyone. My name is Jomyo and today I'm going to present my project, which is an e-commerce website calling Yangon Bazaar Hypermarket e-commerce website. The purpose of this project is to create a convenience online shopping platform where user can browse product and then to get and place order easily. E-commerce systems are becoming very important because they save time and allow users to shop from anywhere. Yangon Bazaar is a hypermarket in Yangon. A market is a large retail store that sells many types of products and such as grocery, clothing, and household items. Currently, Yangon Bazaar is a POS system. However, this system only works inside the store. There are several problems. Customers must visit the store physically, and people who live far away cannot buy product. Customers cannot see product online. Also, many companies already have online shopping system, so there is a need for an e-commerce website. The aims of the object is to develop an e-commerce website from Yangon Bazaar. The objectives are to allow customer to browse product, to allow customer to order online, and to provide delivery system and create admin dashboard for management. Now I will demonstrate the home page, login and registration. Next, I will explain the login and registration feature. User can create an account by registration their detail. They can also log in for so I can create my account. Juju. I'm not a robot function. Register. Customer register successfully. So account login. Fill the password. They can also log in if they already have an account. Click the login. So login successfully. This helps user manage their order more efficiently. First, this is the home page of my website. As you can see, the home page provide an system. As you can see, the home page provide on overview the system. At the top, we have the navigation bar, which include home, about us, product, contact, cat, and login. There I use highlight important item and attack user. The layout is simple, so user can easily understand and use the system. Now I will explain how use user navigation through the system. For example, user can click the product to view item or go to get to check the selected product. This makes the system easy to use. So now I will see the About Us page. This page provides information about the company behind the website. It explains the purpose of Yangon Bazaar hypermarket and our mission, which is to provide a convenience and retail online shopping experience. User can learn more about our background, our mission, our vision, our value from this. This help build trust with customer. This is content page. Next, I will show the corner app page. This is allow user to get in touch with us. User can send message by filling out the corner with their name, first name, last name, email, and message. We also provide contact information such as phone number, email, and address. This page is important because customer support and communication. And then next I will show the product listing page. Here user can see the product display and create format. Each product include an image, name, promotion, and price. User can scroll the see more product. This search function help user find specific item quickly and filter product box because user customize the product list. The page is help user explore product efficiently. So click the view detail. Now I will click on a product to show the product detail page. Here user can see detailed information. They include the product name. They include the product name, price, description, usage, and storage. If want to buy the product, user can also select the quantity. If want to buy the product, they can click add to cart. This is a message about the product is successfully added to the cart. Next, I will demonstrate the add to cart feature. When the click the add to cart item add to the cart. Now I will open the cart page. So this is cart page. Here user can view the all selected item, and they can update cart, remove product if need, and this allow them manage their shipping easily. Now I will see the checkout product. Checkout product user can provide the checkout from after selecting product, and they need to enter the shipping information such as name, address, and phone number. So I can fill phone number, click the next. This is the payment type section, so I can choose a KP. Next click. This is the review of customer order, shipping address, name, email, phone number, address, and payment method. Below the order item and total order. Please order. Click the base order. So message bar, order process is successfully. So this is the admin dashboard. Next, I will explain the login and registration feature. Admin can create account by the registration the detail. They can also already have an account, and this is help admin management there essentially. So this message about is login successfully. Now I will demonstrate the admin dashboard of the system after logging there. This is the main dashboard interface. The part of design for administration to management the website essentially. Here the admin can see overview of the system as to the supplier, to the product type, to the brand, to the payment type, and to the delivery, to the order, so etc. Management the website essentially. And this help the admin quickly understand the current status of the system. Next, I will show the supplier management. This is the section of the admin can add new supplier, update existing supplier, and delete supplier. This is editing. So Franco supplier is so delete. For example, supplier name, phone number, email, address. Click the add. Adding supplier successfully. Franco Myanmar. This allows the system to keep supplier information up to date. Next, I will show the product type management section. In this section, the admin can add product type, update existing product type, edit and delete product type. So next is delete product type. Snack. Kicker is supposed to fill the prototype form. Editing prototype is successfully. This allows the system to keep prototype information up to date. Next, I will show the brand management section. This section is the admin can add new brand, update an existing brand, edit name brand, and delete brand. Delete brand. Example, the admin can upload brand, Sony, Gameplay product, adding brand successfully. This is allow the system of keep brand information up to date. Next, I will show the product management section. This section is admin can add new product, update can product, edit can product, delete product. For example, edit this product. So I can change usage instruction 2 times in one time. I can change the one time. Origin to change the UXA. Change the product price 2000. Click the update. Message bar will be show beauty product data successfully update. The allow the system to keep product information up to date. Change up to date. Next, I will show the supply product. In section, the admin can add new supply product, update existing supply product, and edit supply product, delete supply product. So if you ever choose is just supply product, delete it. Example, fill the sublime product today 70. So adding supply product required successfully. This allows the system to keep supply product information up to date. Next, I will show the ad promotion. This is the promotion. This section is the admin can use ad promotion, update existing ad promotion, edit promotion, and delete promotion. So ad promotion is deleted. Example, the ad pro marks ad promotion ad. This I will assign the assign promotion section. Example, assign promotion listing in easy body subray. Rows are at the promotion rate 5%. Promotion duration ka 1 man. So update. This is our payment time management section. In section add payment type, update existing payment type, and edit payment type and delete payment type. This allows the system keep payment type information up to date. Next, I will show the ad delivery management system. In this section, the admin can add new ad line, the ad delivery, update existing ad delivery, editing ad delivery, and for example, admin can upload a delivery form. This allows the system to keep a delivery information up to date. This is the admin listing management section. This section update existing admin listing, edit admin listing, and delete admin listing. This allows the system to keep admin listing information up to date. And this is a customer listing, order place listing, order listing, and order list by the day. So dashboard benefit. So the admin dashboard is important because this allows full control of the system. It helps manage product order and user can one place. This management efficiently and make a system easier to maintain. And this system carefully, for example, import validation, error handling, and order processing. For security, password accretion, user authentication, and data protection. In conclusion, the product successfully development and e-commerce system from Yangon Bazaar. It allows customers to shop online, payment, and anywhere. So it helps to business growing for improvement. And in future, I would like to add mobile application, improvement delivery system, and add online payment, improvement user interface. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope I understand my project clearly.